Good morning children. Welcome back to online classes. Today we will continue with our chapter number 5, which is multiplication. We will solve exercise number 5.3. But before solving the exercise, I want to tell you the properties of multiplication. Okay? Properties of multiplication. As you all know, first property is whenever you will multiply any number with 0, you will get the answer as 0. Any number, 1 into 0, 7 into 0 is equals to 0. So first property is that only whenever any number is multiplied with 0, we will get the 0 as answer. Number 2 is when we multiply any number with 1, we will get the same number itself as the answer. 35 into 1 will be 35 or 7 into 1 will be 7. So first property is whenever you will multiply any number by 0, you will get the 0 as answer. Second one is whenever you multiply any number by 1, you will get the same number as the answer. And number third is if two numbers are multiplied in either order means 8 into 7 or 7 into 8. 8 sevens are 56, 7 eights are 56, or 4 fives are 20, or 5 fours are 20. Whenever you will multiply any number in either order, then you will get the same answers. The answers will be same. Either order means first 8 into 7, then 7 into 8, 4 into 5, 5 into 4. So these are the some properties which will come to solve our exercise, which will help us to solve our exercise. Okay. First one is whenever you will multiply any number by 0, you will get the answer as 0. Whenever you will multiply any number by 1, you will get the same number as the answer. And when two numbers are multiplied in either order, the answer will be same. So let's start our exercise. Okay. 5.3. First one is fill in the boxes using the multiplication properties. You have to fill the boxes using multiplication properties. 43 into dash is equals to 56 into 43. The third property which we have learned, whenever the two numbers will be multiplied in either order. Here 43 is given, 43 is given, equal sign is given, 56 is given. What will come here? 56. Same. Number 2 is 406 into 20 is equals to dash into 20. 20 is given, 20 is given. 406, what will come here? 406. Number 3. 39 into 40 is equals to dash into 39. 39, 39, 40, and what will come here? 40. Number 4. 725 into 10 is equals to 10 into dash. 10 and 10 here. 725, what will come? 725. Number 5. 36 into 17 is equals to 17 into dash. 21 into 24 is equals to 24 into dash. So 17 and 17 is given here, 36, and here will come 36. Here 21 is not given, 24, 24, 21, and we will write here 21. Number 7. 7 is 16 into dash is equals to 28 into dash. So what we will multiply? One number is given here, one number is given here. So here it will come 28 and here will come 16. Number 8. 25 into dash is equals to 28 into dash. Same way, okay. 25 one number, 28 is second number. So what will come here? 28 and here will come 25. Number 9. 4 into 5 into 8 is equals to 8 into dash into 4. What is left? 8 and 8. 4 and 4. 5 is here. 5 is not here. So we will write here 5. Number 10. 20 into 4 is equals to 4 into 20 into dash. So 4 is given, 4 is given, 20 is given, 20 is given, 10 is here, 10 is not here. So we will write here 10. Number 11 is 16 into 14 into 2 is equals to 2 into 14 into dash. So 2 is given, 14, 14, 16 and here 16 is not, so we will write here 16. Number 12 is 214 into 25 is equals to 25 into dash. What will come? 25 and 25 is given here, 214 and here will come 214. Number 13, 243 into 1. Whenever any number is multiplied by 1, we will get the same number as the answer. So 243 into 1 will be 243. Number 14, 255 into 1 will be 255. Now, number 15. 15 is 180 into dash will be 180. So which property will come? Whenever a number is multiplied by 1, we will get the same number as answer. So here will come 1. Number 16, 270 into dash is equals to 0. Here that property will come. Whenever a number is multiplied by 0, we will get the 0 as answer. Number 17. 140 into 1 is equals to 140. Number 18. 261 into 0 is equals to 0. So this exercise you will do in your book because fill-ups are given. Now next one is 5.4. Next exercise is 5.4. 5.4, find the product. Find the product. You have to find the product. Find the product means you have to multiply this, okay? So, first one is 8 into 10. We will follow the simple process only because there are many ways to solve find the product, okay? But you have to write in the correct way. So, tens, ones, 10 into 8. 8 zeros are 0, 8 ones are 8. So, what is the answer? Answer is 80, okay? Or you can multiply this like this way, okay? 8, two methods are given. First one is this. This is the simple method by which your answer will never be wrong. Your answer will be always correct. Now second one is 8 into 1 tens. Because this is 10. So 8 into 8 is equals to 8 tens. In the place of tens, what will come? 0, 80. Okay. Now number 2 is 42 into 10. So you will write here tens and ones. 42 into 10. You will multiply with the simple method. That method only is the correct method. Because if you will solve with the another method, your chances is that your answer should be wrong. Okay. Because all children can't solve like this. So we will solve with this method only. 0 2s are 0. 0 4s are 0. Into 1 2s are 2. 1 4s are 4. Then we will add this 0, 2, 4. So whatever your answer is coming, 420. Okay. Now next one is number 3, 4 into 10. That you can write like this. Tens, ones, 10 into 4 you can also do 40, or with the another method also you can do Another method will, how you will write 4 into 1 tens. Okay, so what will come? 41, 4 ones are 4, 4 tens. So what will come? 4, 0, 40. You can solve by this method also, or you can solve by this method also. Okay. Now next is 4 16 into 20. Number fourth is 16 into 20. 0 6 is 0, 0 1 is 0, 2 6 is 12, 2 carry 1, 2 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3. Answer will be 320. Number 5 is 29 into 20. 0 9s are 0, 0 2s are 0, into 2 9s are 18, 8, carry 1, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 is 5, 0, 8, 5. Number 6, 11 into 30, 11 into 30, 0 1s are 0, 0 1s are 0, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. Now you will add this 0, 3, 3. So what is the answer? Answer is 330. Number 7 is 17 into 80. 0 7s are 0, 0 1s are 0, 8 7s are 56, 6 carry 5, 8 1s are 8, 8 plus 5 is 13. 0 6 3 1. So our answer is 1360. Okay. Next is number 8 is 16 into 40. 0 6 are 0, 0 1s are 0, 4 6 are 24, 4 carry 2, 4 1s are 4, 5 6. So answer is 640. So in this way you have to solve the questions. Only this method you will follow because this is a very simple and easy method, and while using this method your answer can't be wronged. Okay. So this is all for today. Rest of the question you will try to solve by your own. Thank you. We will meet in our next class.